Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find password and security. Now let's tap on system security, and here let's find app installation. Let's tap on it. And here we've been transferred to the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. So basically, all you have to do in order to, for example, allow Chrome to install something is to simply tap on the switcher. As you can see, your device will notify you, will warn you that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that. Let's tap on allow if you're ready, and as you can see right now you are able, actually your device is able to install some apps from the Chrome. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.